welcome to Bakery. And my friend, even though it's me, Narsayla. And my mom's really not broken. Okay, so before we try that and how of this, my name is Bakery because I like baking. You can do like this. Or